The Leapmotor Lafa5's hatchback design exudes a striking sporty stance. The front and rear lights feature a through-cut design, in line with the Leapmotor B series, along with Leapmotor's signature 3-segment light strip. Furthermore, to further enhance this hot hatchback's identity, the dual front air ducts and raised, widened rear sports bumper clearly emphasize its coupe status. Speaking of coupes, the company also offers an Ultra version, which can be considered a high-performance version. This version features a richer, more three-dimensional sporty exterior design, including a sporty front lip, independent sports side skirts with spoilers, and a sculpted front diffuser. These seemingly unique accessories truly enhance the vehicle's overall aerodynamics, making it easier to control during sustained cornering or extreme maneuvers. It's no surprise that some internet users suggest they should wait for the Leapmotor Lafa5 if they can't afford the Xiaomi SU7 Ultra. Its visual impact is truly impressive. It will also appeal to the aesthetic tastes of today's younger generation in terms of details. In addition to featuring concealed electric door handles, frameless doors and 19-inch wheels will also adopt a low-drag, sporty style. It will outperform the Volkswagen in satisfying young people's aesthetic tastes. In terms of dimensions, the vehicle is 4,430 mm long, 1,880 mm wide, and 1,520 mm high. Previously, only the MG4 could reach a length of approximately 4.4 meters. While longer at 4,395 mm, 1,842 mm, and 1,551 mm, it lags behind the latter in both length and width. Furthermore, the Leapmotor Lafa5's 2,735 mm wheelbase offers more than enough space with an 86% floor-to-ceiling ratio. Unfortunately, the interior doesn't offer much in the way of innovation. The dual floating screens, steering wheel, air vents, door armrests, and other design elements are largely unchanged from the B series. Fortunately, the passenger seat upholstery has been replaced with a magic docking station, allowing users to customize and install it according to their driving habits and preferences. It also features a 50W wireless charging pad in the front row, electric adjustment and heating/ventilation for the bamboo charcoal-trimmed seats, and optional Napa leather and suede microfiber blend seats. Side bolsters are also optimized for comfort during long drives. The hatchback also features a panoramic sunroof and 256-color ambient lighting. Overall cabin quality is impeccable, and the matte multi-zone metal trim provides the premium feel young people crave. Like the Leapmotor B series, the Lafa5 caters to the individual needs of young users with its versatile expansion design in front of the passenger seat. 6 expansion slots can be used to add brackets and tables, and can also be converted into dedicated functional areas like a dressing table. The custom design depends on your needs. In terms of intelligence, it will feature not only dual displays but also an intelligent cockpit powered by the Qualcomm 8295 chip. This cockpit will utilize dual AI voice models to provide rich interactions and expand control range. In addition to multimedia functions, it will be able to tell stories to children, find good restaurants and hotels, and offer a personal tour guide, among other features. The newly announced non-lead DAR-enabled version is expected to primarily support Level 2 assisted driving with cruise control. The 8650 Plus LiDAR end-to-end assisted driving system will also bring park memory parking, highway pilot assist, and commuting pilot assist, making this sports sedan even easier to drive. In terms of power, it offers high and low-power engine versions to accommodate 2 different endurance versions. The 515 km endurance version will be equipped with an electric motor with a maximum output of 132 kilowatts, 180 horsepower, while the 605 km endurance version will be equipped with an electric motor with a maximum output of 160 kilowatts, 218 horsepower, and will accelerate from 0 to 100 km per hour in 6 seconds. According to official information, the Leapmotor Lafa5 will be offered in an Ultra version for the first time.